Hey everyone, this is Tuesday's writing lesson, and we are continuing with writing our opinions. Today I'm going to teach you how to use a mentor text to help you understand what makes an opinion convincing. You want your writing to convince others to think like you. So we're going to take a look at a book that we listened to last week, I Want an Iguana. And if you remember in this story, the boy really wanted to keep the pet of the next door neighbor. And his mom, at the beginning, didn't want to let him keep it. So he wrote letters back and forth to his mom, trying to convince her to let him keep the iguana. I'm going to take a look at those letters that he wrote and see what made his mom change her mind. The first one I remember is on this page, this letter. He did such a nice job drawing a picture of the iguana, and he said things like, "Did you know that iguanas are really quiet and they're cute too?" He even said they're much cuter than hamsters. He also told his mom, "You will never even have to see the iguana. He's going to keep it in a cage in his room." And he also tells her, "They are so small, you're not even going to see it." So see, he's not just saying, "I want an iguana because it's cool." He had to give his mom reasons why. They're cute, they're small, she's not going to have to see him. So I'm going to keep that in mind as I do some writing today. I thought I'd write about one of my favorite treats, ice cream. And I think vanilla ice cream is the best. But I know other people like other types of flavors. So I have to try to convince people that my opinion is the one that they should have. So I have to think, what specific details can I add? Vanilla ice cream is the best because, oh, I like how I can add toppings. Because you can add toppings. Now, I can even be more specific, give more details as to what type of toppings. Then maybe someone will start to think like I do. So I like to add toppings like chocolate syrup. Ooh, I like to add sprinkles. Ooh, I like a little whipped cream. And a cherry on top. Now, I have to make sure my picture shows that. So there is my ice cream. Here's the chocolate syrup. Gotta put a little whipped cream on there. Some sprinkles. And the cherry on top. Do you see how I tried to be like our author of I Want an Iguana? I tried to write like Karen Kaufman Orloff and David Cottrell by adding specific details. Do you want to see what opinion we want to know today from you? We would like to know, which do you like better and why? Would you rather fly a kite or go on a picnic? Take a look at this boy flying his kite. Come up with specific reasons why flying a kite would be a good choice. Don't just tell us, "Oh, I like to fly kites because it's fun." Give us some details. Maybe you're going to choose a picnic. Again, don't just say, "I like picnics because they're fun." Give us some reasons why we should think like you. Okay, again today, which do you like better, flying a kite or a picnic? And remember to tell us why. We can't wait to read your writing or even listen to your opinion. Off you go.